Good morning, children. Today, let us continue our work, that is uses of the forest trees. So let me give on the board, take down and bear with your writing book. Already I made you write down three of the trees, how are they used now, and you have written that is sandalwood tree. Already you have written sandalwood tree and this neem tree and also eucalyptus tree. You have written the uses of the forest. They are sandalwood tree, neem tree, and eucalyptus trees. You have written. Now today you write some more trees are there. Here in page number 23. In page number 23, still they have asked how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 types of trees they have asked uses. Only 2, 3 uses you write down. From the now you write which you not can write down. Teakwood, right? First one, teakwood. 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 You write down. Teakwood tree. Underline it. Uses of forest trees. Continue your work. How, let us say, how teakwood tree is useful to us. Right heading. Now right, how it is used. First one, it is used for furniture. Wood of this tree. Wood is used to make furniture. To make furniture. Say, take it is a type of wood and wood of this tree it is used to make furniture, means tables and chairs. Understood? Furniture means tables and chairs. Next, furniture. Second, and for indoor flooring of ships. Wood is used to make furniture and for indoor flooring of the ships is used. For indoor flooring of the ships, wood is used. So these are the two uses of this tree. Say for indoor flooring means indoor flooring of the ships means for inside the ships. Ship is very big one, and inside that one the flooring will be there down. So for that purpose this wood is used in the ships and all. Now write this is about only two uses of the teakwood tree. Next, jumbo tree. So mark it was fourth one. This one fifth one. Jumbo tree. Let us see how it is used. Jumbo tree. See, it is used for medicinal purpose. It is used. This tree is used for medicinal purpose. This tree is used for medicinal purpose. For medicinal purpose. For medicinal purpose. PURPOSC. For medicinal purpose. This tree is used for medicinal purpose and also specially Specially SPECIA, specially its bark, seed, leaf, and fruit, and fruit, part. Say, this stick is used for medicinal purpose, and especially its bark, seed part, leaf part, and fruit part are used. Are used. Are used. Especially its bark, seed part, leaf part, and fruit part are used. Jumbo tree. Understood? Andre ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ. Jumbo means ನೀರನ್ನು. Understood? So it is called jumbo tree means ನೀರನ್ನು. Understood? Now bark, bark, bark means don't do like that. So don't put your hands. Bark means this. If the tree is like this way, this outer part it is called bark. Understood? This part is called bark. It is called bark. B-A-R-K. ತೊಗಟೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಗಿನ ತೊಗಟೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ or it is like this way. Bark means it is like this way. Where tree will be like this one, catch will be there. It is called bark. B-A-R-K, bark. Understood? Bark. Now, bark, seed and beja, leaf and fruit. These parts are used for medicinal purpose. Understood? So now, write the next one after jumbo tree, banyan tree. Take out the jumbo and banyan tree. Sixth one, banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-N, banyan tree. Write down banyan tree, how it is used. Banyan tree. Now it is used for building purpose. Wood is used for building purpose. Wood is used for building purpose. For building purpose. For building houses, building purpose. P-U-R-P-O-S-E, building purpose. Wood is used for building purpose and its bark used for paper making, Chinmay, writing there. Chetna Dengi writing, both are writing. Show me afterwards, sir. I'll be checking your books, sir. All three girls, sir. I'll see, show your book after writing. It's bark is used for paper making. Bark ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಗಿನ ತೊಗಟೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ತೊಗಟಿಗೆ ಓದುತ್ತೆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಗಿಂದ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಗಟೆ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. For paper making and for medicinal purpose. Drilling purpose, bark used for paper making. Second one. If you are finished, I'll be rubbing. First one over writing. First one over. All of you finish first one. Are you writing this girl? Are you writing this girl? Remember writing there. Writing. The next, let me give seventh one. That is Pongamia. Pongamia. Seventh one. Pongamia. Pongamia. Radar. Pongamia. First one part was its roots are used for its roots are used for cleaning gums, gums ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಸಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಸಡೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಸಡೆ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರ. its roots are used for cleaning gums. Then teeth, bark is internally. Bark is used internally. Bark is used internally inside the body. Next, after jumbo tree, let me write this one. Writing there comes in Next, very good. Continue your work. Next one. Next one. Gooseberry. 8-1 gooseberry. GWSCBARRY. Gooseberry means ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ದಪ್ಪಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್. First one, fruit used for medicinal purpose. For medicinal purpose. Fruit used for medicinal purpose. Second one, it is also used in making. Fruit also, fruit used for making ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದಿರೋ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ತಿಂದಿರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮ ತಿಂದಿರಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಅದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತಾರ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಮ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಜಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಂದಿರಿ ಡೈಲಿ ತಿಂತೀರಿ ಅದೇ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿದು ಜಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೀನು ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ and also pickles, jams and pickles also. pickles andre ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ pickles andre ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿಂದ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. later gooseberry fruit. Next one, next last one, bamboo tree. 9 bamboo, BAMBW, bamboo tree. Bamboo tree. See and last one. This is bamboo tree. ಬಿದಿರು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದಿರಿನ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಬಾಂಬೂ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿದಿರು, ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿದಿರು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು what? Grass family. This tree belongs to grass family. What is your family name? Swama, what is your family name? Nargund, no? Like bamboo tree also have family name, grass family. It is this tree belongs to grass family. Soham Singh belongs to Nargund family. Soham belongs to Nargund family. Correct? Correct. Soham belongs to Nargund family. Correct. You belongs to Nargun family. Bamboo tree belongs to grass family. Grass and hull nodilla hullu. Hullin katti nodilla. Hullu nodilla. For that family it is. Bamboo tree belongs to grass family. Grass and the hullu. Hullin jati ಸೇರಿದ್ದು but stem is very hard. Stem is very hard. Stem is very hard. Stem is very hard and used for building purpose. Used for building houses. Building purpose. You are USA. Now, these all are the uses of the trees. These are uses of forest trees. Now, one more point is there, write down. चल रहा ना और still writing है writing और here next girl good next girl this one completed writing है then I write this one wow this also I'll be rubbing gooseberry. The last one you have to take down. Last question. Last question, 8.1. Write uses of forest. Now, it is there in page number. Take down this one. Write here forest in the umbrella. Or like this one. Now, right here, furnitures, right, paper, right, paper, matchbox, wood frigate, foot frigate, grass for animals, doors and windows, windows, next flower frigate, ink frigate, gum frigate, lastly honey, honey, H-O-N-E-Y. So these are the things we get from the forest. Wood puts a grass like this way. Gum. Honey. See how many things we are getting from the. This is last one right now. These all the things we are getting from the forest. Now this one. See, we are getting these all things from the forest. See, we are getting furnitures, table chair, paper for making paper we get wood. From wood we make paper. Matchbox getting then wood we are getting for filing and all. And fruits we are getting, grass we are getting, doors and window we can make from that wood. Flower we are getting, ink we can get, we can make ink, gum we can make, unto. Next, honey we are getting. So these all are the things we are getting from the forest itself. So see that how much uses we are getting from the forest. Maximum things we are getting from the forest. This is about the lesson forest. Understood? So you whatever given, you must read and write. Whatever given for writing, read and write and be perfect. Understood? At least one time you write the one and read the things. Understood? Thank you for attending class. Thank you for all.